Most welcome in this listening skill session. Today we are to enjoy passage second. Let us participate in it with full enthusiasm. You will listen to a passage on tea. As you listen, complete the worksheet as directed. Tea. Almost everyone in the world drinks tea, from astronauts to aquanauts, from the Chinese to the Canadians, the Persians, and the Indians. People brew it in pots and urns, in the air, on mountain tops, amid the cities, out in the fields, and in submarines in the depths of oceans. People pour boiling water on small mounds of dark colored leaves to infuse the drink that has been popular for centuries. They drink it neat or with mint or lemon or jasmine. We drink it with milk and sugar. No one knows when tea was first discovered or how it came to be such a popular drink. The beverage is generally accepted to have originated in China hundreds of years ago. Records going back to the 4th century AD refer to tea. By the 8th century AD, most Chinese were drinking tea, both because they liked it as a beverage and for its medicinal value. Tea was so popular that one of the most distinguished poets of the Tang dynasty, a man called Liu Yu, even wrote a holy scriptures about it. It was called Cha Ching, which when translated means tea scripture. Over the years, the habit of drinking tea spread around the world as explorers and travelers went to China and then returned to their own countries with some of the leaves. Gradually, as the world's trade route developed and more supplies were imported, then popular family drink it is trying to oust its great rival coffee, which had arrived earlier. The growing popularity of tea changed its social status. Tea parties became all the rage, and people gather and enjoy a cuppa and a chat. Now come to complete your given worksheet second. First, tea is a popular drink, and the people all over the world prepare their cups of tea in the same way. Incorrect, because some people enjoy it with lemons, while some people enjoy it with milk, sugar, while some people enjoy it with cardamom or as a spicy tea. So you have to write it incorrect. Now, second, Liu Yu's book Cha-Ching shows that we have four options. Option A, tea was a holy thing for the Chinese. Incorrect. Tea was worshipped by Tang dynasty. Incorrect. C, tea had become very popular by that time. Yeah, obviously it is correct. So you have to tick option C. And option D is tea became popular because of cha-ching. Actually, you need to write Liu Yu. Liu Yu's book Cha-Ching shows that tea had become very popular by that time. Option 3. The credit for making tea so popular goes much to option A, the Chinese travelers to China, option C, its cheap price, and option D, the trade routes. Actually, it will go to travelers to China. Now option C. As a beverage, coffee is older than tea. So your question 4 is, as a beverage, coffee is older than tea. So according to the author, when a thing becomes very common, cheap and popular, then it loses its social status. No, it changes. It gets its social status changed, that is upgraded. So you have to write false over here. You need to tick false. Must listen it as many times as you need to understand its essence and answer given MCQ accordingly. Thanks for watching. See you in next class with new solution.